Shinga, Zimbabwe, Shinga. I mean, like on a weekly basis. Amanda!
Let's have restoration of the rights. Thank you.
No matter what you say, no matter what you give, nobody listens. Even if the state consents to their conditions, they don't listen. All they repeat is, we have heard you, we have listened to you, we're taking upon what you said, but your client is going to jail, going to remand.
Let's move inside. They create one lane.
That's not what we want. That's not what we live for. That's not what we live for.
Thank you. Thank you.
yourself. So now they are at Munomutapa building where President Mnangagwa's office is. And currently the cabinet is sitting and they are proceeding to the Constitutional Court.
Send us a flower, send us a flower, positions of authority.
No, I will just go.
All right.
Okay.
be reparated. Yeah, we are reparating. If he's not here, he's not for us. If the president is not here, let's go and impeach him. Yeah, so I'm going to report from this.
Sorry, some bees are just too good.
Are we too serious?
They come to us with my truncheons and all forms of weapons of steel. Check mama buildings edu. Mbona kumakambira sei? Kana iri issue dressing yavari against one's address, issue dressing.
Hi, how are you? How are you? I'm alright. Oh, thank you.
Wangu tuinga kutama malo ni denzis do na banana.
Those who have not yet signed the petition, there are petitions there for signing. Ahoy, Manoys, ahoy! Can we get all of the signed papers to the front here? All of the signed papers. Anyone who hasn't signed, this is your last opportunity now to sign. Please come to the front. Please make space for those who haven't signed to come and sign. If you haven't signed, raise your hand and come to the front. Come, there's some papers here. Those who haven't signed, come to the front.
Sign papers, please.
Please make space for those who haven't signed.
What happened here, Beatrice?
You just sent me a hand petition.
What did it say, the petition?
The petition is asking for the restoration of the rule of law in the country, for respect of our constitution, in particular respect of all rights associated with trials, and this is with reference with the current prosecutions which are being fast-tracked without pre-trial procedures being followed, with lawyers being denied access to clients, with some injured persons being denied medical attention, and generally, you know, trials that are being conducted outside what would be regarded as fair and impartial justice.
You have said that in the past, as lawyers, you are considering withdrawing your services if this continues. What's the position now?
Well, the lawyers have not resolved to withdraw their services. If they so resolve in future, I'm sure they will. You will know about that. There has been a feeling that the presence of lawyers when trials are being misconducted, we feel that we might be sanitizing a process that is not going the way it's supposed to be. We said the purpose of the petition is basically to call for the restoration of the rule of law, respect for the Constitution, respect for human rights, and in particular respect for conduct of trials which must follow the normal due process where people are accorded all their rights.
What is it? Oh, Cyprian.
Okay, we can always send them.
Yeah, but
Sorry? Yeah. Are they still there?
Can we just get one for signing? Eventually, can we just get one?
Don't change this.
But we are now free to disperse and go back to our It's demanding that it be restored.
Hi, Doug. Doug, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing, man?
Fine. That's a short one.
Yeah, sure.
On the purpose of this march.
So there were three main demands for this march: restoration of the rule of law, compliance with the Constitution, and respect for human rights. Now, the reason that lawyers have come out today in such numbers to make these demands is because over the past 2 weeks we have seen the unprecedented violation of these rights. This has been both in terms of the gross human rights atrocities which have been perpetrated all across our country. The Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission did a report in which they found that there had been systematic use of torture. Now, that is a crime against humanity at international law. So that's the first issue, the human rights atrocities. Now, when these people, many of whom have been beaten, abducted, raped, are then brought to court, their rights are being violated again within the courts. Their right to a fair trial, their right to bail, their right to adequate time to prepare defense are being systematically violated in what seems to be a coordinated fashion across many cases, almost all cases connected to the stay away, across the entire country. So with these issues, we as lawyers realize that the very values that underpin our profession are being undermined, and to some extent there's almost, we feel there's little that we can do to properly defend our clients and ensure that their rights are protected if nothing we do has any effect whatsoever. So that is why lawyers have come out to demand these three things: restoration of the rule of law, respect for the Constitution, and respect for human rights.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Soldiers of the street.
Yes, and soldiers of the street.
Hello, hi. Do you want to say something?
Yes,
About
certainly.
the march?
Certainly.
Look, of the march.
Yes, the march was really about protecting, upholding and preserving the rule of law, which is under siege. The way those people who have been charged with certain crimes are being treated, it's actually quite disheartening. As lawyers, as legal practitioners, who are the last line of defense for the downtrodden to protect their human rights. So we have delivered our message to the judiciary, we have delivered our message to the Judicial Service Commission. We sincerely hope that they will take heed and take corrective action. Thank you.
So to our viewers, that's it for the march. As you saw, lawyers marching and submitting a petition on what they said, the deteriorating rule of law in the country. From ZimEye, thank you very much.